Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to buy USDT on Kraken. But before we jump into the steps, let's take a moment to understand why USDT is so popular. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. This means that 1 USDT is always worth $1, making it a great way to store value or hedge against market volatility. So, if you're interested in buying USDT on Kraken, here's what you need to do. Step 1. Create a Kraken account. If you don't already have a Kraken account, you'll need to create one. This is a simple process that just requires you to provide your email address and a password. Step 2. Verify your identity. Once you've created your account, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a security measure that helps to protect your account from unauthorized access. You can verify your identity by providing a copy of your government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Step 3. Fund your account. Once you've verified your identity, you'll need to fund your account. You can do this by using a variety of payment methods, such as a bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. Step 4. Buy USDT. Once your account is funded, you're ready to buy USDT. Simply click on the Trade tab and select USDT from the drop-down menu. Then, enter the amount of USDT you want to buy and click Place Order. Step 5. Store your USDT. Once you've purchased USDT, you can store it in your Kraken wallet or transfer it to another wallet. And that's it. You've successfully bought USDT on Kraken. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits of using Kraken to buy USDT. Security. Kraken is one of the most secure cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. They use a variety of security measures to protect your assets, including two-factor authentication, cold storage, and encryption. Fees. Kraken offers competitive fees, especially for large trades. Variety of payment methods. Kraken accepts a variety of payment methods, making it easy to fund your account. User-friendly interface. Kraken has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to buy and sell USDT. So, if you're looking for a safe and reliable way to buy USDT, Kraken is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and happy trading.